Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to open some
Journey together, Pokemon.
Pokemon cards. So 1, 2, 3. Bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay? Ang tanong, ang sagot,
Open natin.
Bubuksan.
Because we have video.
and kung mapapansin niyo, this is a loose pack. 7-Eleven pa to. Nung meron pang Pokemon sa 7-Eleven. After Journey Together, Destined Rivals yata yun. Wala nang naging 7-Eleven tie-up. So we bought this nung panahon na 7-Eleven, nung nag-iikot-ikot pa ako para makabili lang. Unfortunately, wala ngayon. So meron kaming 5. Di nyo napapansin pero 7-Eleven yan eh. And kaya na ba natin binili to? Naku, hindi na makita. Natanggal na eh. Tingnan natin.
1962.
Date. August 1, 20. Hindi ba to? Tinto. So, medyo matagal na kasi to. But, ito yung panahon na umiikot-ikot pa ako para makabili ng Pokemon sa 7-Eleven. So, may 5 packs tayo and we'll open 2. Choose one. And I'll do this one. So, tago natin to para may mabuksan pa tayo sa ibang...
Part 1, Part 2.
Okay, so, this is it. Dalawa. Kasi, bitin tayo sa Mega Evolution. Bitin kami sa Mega Evolution. Ang hirap bumili kasi ang taas ng reseller price.
Look.
Or tinatawag kong scalper price. So, okay, sino una? Ay, syempre, bago yan, kailangan natin ng sleeves. We need the standard and the perfect sleeve. Okay, sige. First pack, Magic kay Andre. Hopefully, may makuha tayo. Special illustration rare. Sana naman. Uy. So, hindi ko na alam ang chase card ko kasi ang chase card na naalala ko na lang sa Destined Rivals. And syempre yung Black Bolt and the Mega Evolution. Kaso hirap maghanap ng Mega Evolution. Ang hirap, inubos lahat ng bot. Kayo ba, kamustang pag-hunt nyo sa Mega Evolution?
I feel you because it's
Okay.
not a Pikachu one.
Guess the energy. Hindi ka nag-guess the energy.
Ayan.
Wala na. Sige, yan mo muna. Fighting.
Water.
Psychic. Yan mo. Op. Yeah.
Koala. Snitch.
Komala.
It's Snitch.
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 Moana.
Snitch.
Coffin.
Si Snitch.
Stitch.
Hindi naman Moana yun.
I get bad with movies. Puppet. Is this a ghost puppet?
Psychic. Yeah, I think so.
Bird. Crow.
Corvus Squire.
This is a crow.
Corvus Squire.
Could we get this in the golden?
Ayan ba yung may gold?
I don't know. Look, there's gold things.
Tingnan natin. I don't think so. Wala, ito lang ang gold, tatlo lang. Siguro get the ito EX ng pati
How about
si
Lick Berry?
Leonos Leonos Bellibot
We got the
EX, the alternate
We
art.
got that.
Illustration rare pala, super illustration rare.
Uy, super potion.
Super Pushun.
We might get a super hit.
Super hit. Ito, Wailord. Yan, Wailord. Reshi, yung Ends Treasure.
We already
Nakuha
have
na natin yan eh. Nakadalawang full art na tayo ni Bellibot eh. Okay. Sige.
Evolution.
Kahit anong illustration rare. Super illustration rare.
Evolution.
Sige na. Next. Okay, nakita?
Lotad.
Lotad, Reversalo. Oh, walang
Rare.
illustration rare.
At
And-
full art.
Dahan-dahan naman. Okay, wala. No hit.
Let's open one more.
Pangit na nga, wala kang man lang nakuha. Okay, may pack. Ayan, kasi ang hirap na maghanap nito eh.
How about Volcanion EX?
Okay, tingnan natin to, buksan natin. Let's see, anong pwede natin makuha dito. May pack. Tingnan natin anong makukuha natin.
I want to open more. Blue,
Fire.
water.
Oh, lightning. Lightning.
Ano
Metal. Sige, tingnan natin to.
You got the
Alohan,
first
Graveler.
You got the first Pokemon correct though. Lightning.
Dunsparce.
Impidimp. Little Devil.
Impidimp. Lechonk.
Pig.
Banet.
Scary Puppet.
Hops Bag. Pangoro.
Possess.
Reversalo Dragidon. And yeah.
Polite.
Parasect. Reversalo and oh! Okay,
Let's open more.
still a hit.
Let's open
It's
more.
still a hit.
Let's open
Paldean
more.
Quadsire EX. It's still a hit.
Let's
It's still a
open
hit.
more.
It's still a hit. So
Let's open more.
we're going to I think wala pa tayong ganito, no?
Yeah.
Okay, wala pa tayong ganito sa ating master set. And any EX and any hit will do. Any hit will do. And because
Let's open more packs. You might get the one you need.
ito na lang to. O, choose one.
What will pick?
Okay, akin to. Okay, you open.
The one is gonna be sealed.
Kahit ano dyan. Huwag yun na lang pansin yung narinig yung
Rayquaza!
Sige na, okay na yun.
Rayquaza lock.
Alright. At least one illustration rare or two illustration. Wailord. Okay na tayo sa Wailord. Or ano ba? Actually, Wailord ang gusto ko kasi Reshiram. Wailord. Yeah, I think yung Wailord makuha natin, okay na ako. I'll be happy with that Wailord.
You'll be
Super
happy
illustration
with getting
rare.
money.
Yeah, it's not about the price, it's about the joy of pulling it on your own. Okay. Fire.
Grass.
Lightning.
You said that a while ago.
Yeah. Piloswine.
Hog. Elephant, which is a baby.
Kufant.
Baby elephant.
Kufant.
You. Wala pa.
Sprigatito. Ito yan eh.
Cobra.
Ito yan eh. Evolution niya yan eh.
It looks nothing like that.
Evolution nga kasi. Siyempre hindi.
Cobra.
Silly Cobra. Cramorant.
Bluebird.
Cramorant.
Sinisino.
Sinisino. Okay, yan na last. Reverse na yan. Ay, hindi pa pala. Sige.
Rocks.
Maractus. Reverse Halo. Paras and
Oh!
Swine up. Illustration
let's get-
rare. Wait.
No double hitter.
Oh my gosh. Buti na lang. Sabi ko naman natin, Okay, may bago tayong perfect stick kasi ubos na yung isa natin.
You wanted Wailord, you got the fat pig.
Konti na lang, malapit na siya. Bago to, wala tayong ganito
You got 3 minus.
Swine up. Illustration rare.
Why don't we open everything? We might have Wailord.
What, meron ka pa? Alright. Our best hit this. So,
Looks like I'm winning.
3 packs, 2 hits.
Looks
Not
like
bad.
looks like I'm
Not
winning.
bad, not bad.
Looks like I'm
Okay,
winning
my
in the
pack.
pack wars. I'm winning in the pack wars.
Pack wars ba tayo ngayon?
Yes.
Pack wars ba tayo ngayon?
Yes. That's why it's a two card.
Hindi ko mabuksan.
Ooh.
Hindi ko mabuksan. Okay. Again, maganda yung sa 7-Eleven yan eh.
You want Wailord?
Yung sa Mega Evolution Toy R Us, medyo mahina ang dating eh. Okay, fourth pack.
Guess the energy.
Guess the energy.
Lightning.
And I'm going to fire. Oh, fighting. Oh,
I see a,
parang wala yun. Nakita ko.
You!
Parang lang. Parang regular lang, rare. Baba mo. Swine up.
Same.
Then, mice?
Mine?
Black Belt Training, para nakita ko, regular rare lang. Shelmet. Electrode. Alon Marowak. Volcarona.
Wait.
Reverse Halo. Tingnan natin. Reverse Halo. Cup and... Oh. Para nakita ko, regular lang eh. Okay, so regular lang.
Let's open everything. We will
Okay.
get another illustration.
Sige, ito na. So, 4th pack, 2 hits pa lang tayo, 4 packs. Open 4 pack.
One
This is the last pack from the 7-Eleven, ano pa to, nung release day ng Journey Together. Alright, sige. Tingnan natin, ginano pala natin, blah 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 blah. Okay, request, la 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 blah 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 blah. Tingnan natin ang mangyari.
Ay,
Oh.
gosh, good
So,
magic.
tanong, should we keep it sealed or should we open it or should we keep it sealed?
The golden sniper will hit
From
that.
Deep Pocket Monster.
The golden gun will
Ako
hit.
ayaw
Golden sniper will hit that.
Ayaw.
Boom, bullseye.
Ari ko.
And they will get a gold card.
Ari ko. Ayaw mo bukas. Anyway, this is our last pack, our 5th pack today. October 10, 2025. Opening Journey Together from 7-Eleven. Nung panahong meron pang
Let's open it together. Fire.
I'm going to water. Oh, dark.
Let's hold it.
Wait. Sige. Geodude,
Really dude.
Lotad,
Sweet treat.
okay. Zorua, Winklank,
Gears.
Sandakoda,
Elefante.
okay, this is it.
Love, la, la, la,
This is it.
la, la, la,
This
love.
is it. And oh my
Full
gosh.
art.
Oh my golly, Regirock. Sabi sa'yo, dapat hindi na natin binuksan eh. Oh my
You
gosh.
said just to me.
Oh. 5 packs, 2 hits.
And one it is good.
Ugh. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and share and subscribe as well. Again, I'm Michael.
And great.
And we just opened some.
Pokemon, the Patrick will say bye-bye to
So
you now.
2 hits. We got 2 hits from 5 packs. Alright, bye. Bye-bye na.
Bye.